little tiny bird, my name is Tweety Pie. I live inside my bird cage, hanging way up high. I like to swing upon my perch and sing my little song. But there's a cat that's after me and won't let me alone. I caught a putty cat creeping up on me. I caught a putty cat as plain as he could be.
I am that great big bad old cat, Sylvester is my name. I only have one aim in life, and that is very plain. I want to catch that little bird and eat him right away. But just as I get close to him, this is what he'll say.
Look in the ocean. You look in the ocean and you ain't trying to hide. But you can't be good with the big orange nose. You better be because Tweety Bird is about to be very serious. He made a dumb neighbor named SpongeBob. That makes me a beer roaster. I really want to pet you with my little beak. When I hear you do that dumb voice. Look in the ocean. He looks really green. He's wearing no pants. Your clearing and skills is awful. Okay, you see, he don't want to win. But he can't win big nose. Because Tweety Bird is about to get very serious. Meow.